Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Be sure to route the power cord, water supply, and drain into the opening before sliding the dishwasher into its final position. Note: an insulation blanket on some models is required to help reduce the sound level but may cause the dishwasher to fit tightly into the opening. Align the front of the dishwasher door panel with the front of the cabinet doors. Check that the leveling legs are firmly against the floor. With the dishwasher door closed, place a level against the front panel. If necessary, adjust leveling legs until the dishwasher is plumb. Pushing firmly against the top front of the dishwasher should take some weight off the leveling legs, making them easier to adjust. It may be easier to adjust the front legs using a 3/16" hex head socket or adjustable wrench. Unlatch and open the dishwasher door. Check that the dishwasher is level by placing a level against the front of the tub opening at the top. Adjust the front legs until the dishwasher is level. Close the door.